how to hide your repost on TikTok. Hey everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, open your TikTok application. Then tap on your profile. And if you have reposted any of the videos, it will appear over here in your profile. Since I do not have anything reposted, nothing is being shown over here. But if you want to hide your repost, go to settings and privacy. But over here you cannot see any of the specific setting for from which you can hide your reposts. But what you can do is enable your private account, and from that other people won't be able to see your repost except for their friends. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.